from Beery Good Entertainment. Well, it's almost moving day. Tonight's my last night in the house. So I decided to try to do something a little special for it. Now, along with my infamous Berbera chicken, I love this stuff because it's nice and spicy. And it kind of reminds me of a lot of nice spicy dishes. I got the opportunity to try this. This is Gilgamesh's Pok Pok. Pok Pok is actually a drinking vinegar, and this particular beer is from the Gilgamesh Chef series. Chef Andy Ricker came up with this beer. Thank you very much, Andy. And we're going to try it. It's only 4.5%, which is perfect because I don't need a big beer before I go driving a U-Haul truck tomorrow. It's also a shandy, not my usual type, but I do enjoy shandies. I was expecting pink. It's not pink at all. This is a pale yellow with a pretty nice fluffy head. I smell the vinegar. Those of you who enjoy drinks like Flanders Reds are going to enjoy the aroma of this. Oh, it's sweeter than I thought it would be. Got quite a lot of taste that I'm not quite used to, but it's very delicious. It's a little bit lemony. It's not quite a rhubarb pie in a glass. And the rhubarb is not immediately identifiable. But you do get overtones of vinegar in it. You get the sweetness of a shandy, which is really nice. And then you get some other lemony flavors in there and other flavors that could be rhubarb. If you're familiar with rhubarb, then you may be familiar with the taste that you're going to find in this. It is pretty easy drinking. It is easy drinking at that. Wow. I think I'm pretty happy with this for tonight's offering. And I think I'm going to have my chicken and have my beer. And you guys have a great beer. Have a great night. See you later.